everyone. Hi, this is Gladys from Ivey.forge Homestead, and so today we have some great news. Today the tree goes down. Our neighbor came, knocked on the door, and said, "Hey, this tree is a liability. It's going down today." So we have some people here that he contracted cutting down the tree.
So if you haven't noticed, the tree's almost gone. All right, before we actually get into the garden update for this last Shedwards video that we're going to be doing this season, and you'll see why. All right, I wanted to show you some footage of this tree coming down. Let's go check it out.
So this is my next door neighbor, and they are cutting down the tree on their side of the fence or on their property. And they have left this in front of our yard, so I'm hoping that they move it back to their front of the yard so that it can be properly chopped up and picked up. This is them taking it out of his property and putting it in front of our property. So I'm hoping that they dispose of this correctly so that we won't have to get a fine in our door for what they are doing. So they are taking down the tree finally. The rest of it at least. The guy already has some up there, but they have someone up there inside the tree trying to cut the limbs off of it. Thank God. They already made a lot of a mess, but there goes the guy with the... Oh boy. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, shit. Holy guacamole. OMG. OMG. That's a big one. That's a big one. Hi.
What a hairy fucking tree this is, boy. It's probably one of the worst I've ever done in 30 years. Come down a little bit.
This is in our front yard now. Oh my God. So I agreed to let them go ahead and put it down here in the front yard because it's way too big to go anywhere, and this is the best option that they have right now, and he'll take full responsibility of anything that happens. But yes, so this is what we got going on right now, and they're gonna chop it up into pieces and put it away. And there it is. It's down. Oh, thank God it's down. They're doing their best. They're getting ready to tie that one up. Yeah. Wow. He's tying it up so he can cut it.
Alright, so welcome back. As you see, our garden not doing so well. So we ended up using a product to help boost the health of the soil and get it, because it was really high and acidic. So we're trying to bring that pH level down. And of course, Gladys being Gladys, she didn't read any of the instructions. A lot of times I don't do either. But we put it onto the garden, or she put it onto the garden, a little too much, and it actually burned off a lot of the plants. Yeah, there's some that stuck around. Got a couple tomato plants still trying to hold in there, but I think we're pretty much giving up on this one, and we're gonna go ahead and get some more stuff for this. Possibly do something for the fall, get some product and stuff to put in there. But yeah, garden's dead, y'all. All right. No, thank you guys. Check out all the other links down in the description, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now.